Hi, welcome to the Craft Channel. My name's Corinne Bradd, and today I've got quite a cute project for you for any time of year, and it's a little marionette articulated bunny, and it's quite simply made from card, all those leftover bits of paper that you don't know what to do with, and paper fasteners, and a lolly stick, or in my case coffee stirrers, because I can't find my lolly sticks. But what you can do is you can create this bunny and pop him on a card blank. And if you cut a slot in the front of your card, your bunny can be removed and used as a little puppet toy. So I will put a template in the description below, as usual. So you've got a back leg, a front leg, a body, an ear, and a head. So the head and the body, you just want to cut one piece of each. So these are here. And the back and front legs, you need to cut two. And if you cut them from different papers, just like you will the ears as well, you can create the effect of some depth in that back. You know, the legs that are furthest away from you are darker than the ones in the foreground. All I've done is just taken my templates, drawn around them on the back of a piece of patterned paper and cut them out. And I've also marked on there where you need your pinprick holes to fit your brads. So I'm just going to enlarge them to make sure it's easy enough to get those paper fasteners in. And then we'll just start the assembly. So pop your head on first, with the brad in the front of the head, just in there, and open it out. Grab your ears. Actually, we'll have the purple spot in the foreground. So pop your paper fastener through your front ear, through your bunny's head, and through the back ear. And then just open it out. And the same with the leg, through the front leg, through the body, and through the back leg. Oh. And the good thing about most paper crafting paper fasteners or brads is the legs on the back of them, you probably can't see it on the overhead camera, one leg on the back will be longer than the other, which means if you haven't got any fingernails and your eyesight's poor and you can't see how to separate those two legs, if you just bend them one way, it will naturally open up for you. So there is our bunny, and I'm just going to sketch a very simple eye. And this is on paper stock, so I can actually just do this with an ordinary fine liner. If you're going to use a coated paper or a metallic, you will need something like a Sharpie or another type of alcohol ink pen so that it will work on the coated surface. So you can just have your bunny like this, but I want to pop him on a lolly stick. So make a hole in the middle of his body, grab your lolly stick, and the temptation is to stab that lolly stick with your pointed stick tool. If you do that, what will invariably happen, I'll show you on this end, if you go like that, it will split the stick. And if you split the stick, then eventually it will fall off. So just make an indentation. And if you've got something like a pin drill, that's perfect. If you haven't, but you have got a craft knife, you can wind it around in there so it's shaving off bits of wood gently without actually splitting the stick. And then once you know you've gone through to the other side, just get your pointed stick tool again and your scalpel and wind it round again. So you can then pop a brad in the middle of your bunny. There you go. And open up the legs again, so that your bunny can sit there on a stick and be used in puppet shows. So I hope you like that. As usual, I will put a template for you in the description below that you can download for free. If you subscribe to the channel, you'll see that we've got lots and lots of other videos. And if you turn your notifications on, you'll get told every time we put a new video up there. So please do that. And please come back and see us again. And please let us know what you think. I always try and answer comments and questions as best as I can. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.